Hi guys, let's continue with the trigonometry lesson, right? In the previous video, we take this triangle, right? And we use the same triangle in this one also. We have theta, which is the acute angle, right? And side, which is opposite to theta, is opposite. And side, which is adjacent to this theta, is called adjacent. And side, which is opposite to 90 degrees hypotenuse. Okay. So we have trigonometric functions. So first function is sine function. Sine function. So sine function, we can write sine and the angle is theta. So we can write it sine theta, right? Sine theta is the ratio of two sides, which is opposite and hypotenuse. So sine theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. The second trigonometric function is cosine function. And cosine function is the ratio of the other two sides. So cos angle is theta. So cos theta is equal to, it's the ratio of adjacent and hypotenuse. Okay, and then we have a third trigonometric function, which is tangent function. Tangent function, and tangent function is the ratio of the other two sides. So we can write tan, and the angle is theta. So tan theta, and tan theta is opposite over adjacent. So it's a ratio of opposite and adjacent. So these are the actual ratio of sides. So this is called trig ratios. Trigonometric ratio, and we have six trigonometric ratios. First is sine, second is cos, third one is tan or tangent, right? And we have opposite or reciprocal of these, which is cosec. Then we have sec, and the sixth one is cot. So I told you this formula for these trigonometries. Why don't we these? Because these are the actually there's a reciprocal of this. This cosec theta is a reciprocal of sine theta. So if sine theta is opposite, so cosec theta is actually just 1 over sine theta. And sec theta is just 1 over cos theta. And cot theta is equal to 1 over tan theta. So you need to remember these three and you can form the other three. Because these are the reciprocal of the like cosec or reciprocal of sine, cos, sec reciprocal of cos, and hot reciprocal of tan. And you are familiar with this word tangent. What is tangent is the line which touches the circle at in only one point. Now you can say where is the circle, where is the line in this. I'll pull you this thing in the next video. So keep that.